Come test drive the 2015 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, air conditioning, moonroof, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.